A judge called the names of 61 racketeering defendants. They are charged in connection with protests surrounding Atlanta's proposed public safety training center. 11 Alive's Doug Richards joins us now live from the courthouse with more on what happened today in court.
Yeah, this is a case that was spearheaded and is being spearheaded by State Attorney General Chris Carr. His fellow Republicans tout it as a tough-on-crime prosecution, and defense attorneys, on the other hand, call it a whole lot of overkill.
Are you Mr. Carlisle?
The 61 defendants were called with their lawyers 5 at a time, with dozens more waiting in a cramped hallway outside the courtroom. Because all 61 defendants are charged with racketeering, each faces a potential prison sentence in connection with allegedly participating in or organizing the sometimes violent protests against the project critics call Cop City.
Have you been arrested?
Not lately,
Not lately.
Because of the size of the case, Judge Kimberly Adams said it would likely be June before she would take pleas in the case. Because some defendants could make deals with prosecutors, it's unclear how many will eventually face a jury.
In this case, I honestly don't. I don't expect many, if any, to make deals, specifically because these people don't even know each other. There is no organization.
This was a decentralized group of individuals with no formal leadership.
Josh Schiffer says his client never attended a single protest.
My client was involved allegedly in some sort of a meetup off-site, and that therefore brought her into this entire rigmarole.
About 100 protesters packed a sidewalk outside the courthouse before the hearing. Defense attorneys say those accused acted under constitutional protections of free speech. They say the prosecution is a vast overreach.
I don't think many of those are even crimes. And at the most, they might be trespassing, being somewhere where you're not supposed to be. How is that domestic terrorism? How is that a conspiracy?
With 61 co-defendants, this case is bigger than the Trump election case in Fulton County and the YSL gang case combined. Whether these folks will actually be tried together is a question still to be answered. But if they are, one defense attorney suggested that they seek out a rental space at Mercedes-Benz Stadium to fit everybody in it. Live at Fulton County Courthouse, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.